is the spare wheel, a backup tire stored in the car for emergencies when a tire goes flat. 2. This is the wiper. Wiper clears rain and debris from the windshield for visibility. Next is the window. Window lets in light and air and can be opened or closed for comfort. Door provides entry and exit to the vehicle's interior. Next is the wheel. Wheel allows the vehicle to roll and move. Next is the side mirror. Side mirror helps the driver see behind and to sides for safe lane changes. Next is the windshield. Windshield protects the driver and passengers from wind, debris, and weather. Next is the hood. Hood covers and protects the engine compartment. Next is the bumper. Bumper absorbs impact to reduce damage and minor collisions. Next is the signal light. Signal light indicates turning or lane changes to the other drivers. This is the brake light. Brake light lights up when the brake is pressed, signaling to drivers behind you're slowing down or stopping. So this is the gas tank. Gas tanks hold the fuel that powers the vehicle's engine. This is the inside view of the car. Steering wheel. So steering wheel allows the drivers to control the directions of the vehicle. So next is the gear shift. Shift changes the car's gear for different speeds or driving conditions. So next is the horn. Horn makes a loud and sound to alert other drivers or pedestrians. The headlight switch turns the headlights on or off for visibility in low light. The next is the clutch. Clutch is a mechanical device that connects and disconnects the engine from the transmission, allowing you to change gears smoothly. Next is the brake. Brake slows down or stops the vehicle when pressed. Accelerator increases the vehicle's speed by delivering more fuel to the engine. Next is the driver's seat. Driver's seat, where the driver sits and controls the vehicle. Passenger seats are seats for someone riding next to the driver. So next is the back seat. Back seat sitting for passengers in the rear of the vehicle. Next is the center mirror. Reflects the view behind the car for safe driving and reversing. Next is the seat belt. Seat belt secures the passengers in their seats to protect them in case of an accident. So next is the key. Key to use unlock and starts the vehicle. So next is the box. The box is a small compartment for storing items like documents and small tools. 4. So next is the starter switch. Starter switch turns on the engine when the key or button is engaged. Next is the trunk. Trunk provides storage space at the back of the vehicle for luggage and other items. So this is the battery. Battery provides electrical power to start the engine and run electronic components.